by Miss Doris. I was called out by Miss Doris. I was called out by Miss Stephanie.
To do the ice bucket challenge.
To do the ice bucket challenge.
You nominate who?
I nominate my grandfather, Steve Timmerman, and my grandmother, Marcy Timmerman.
Who do you nominate?
My daddy and my
How about his cousin? Who's his cousin? Who's his cousin?
Steel.
What about Steel? Call out Steel.
call out by Steel.
Yeah. Say, I'm gonna call out Steel.
I'm gonna call out Steel.
All right.
You ready?
You ready?
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's freezing! No! Freezing! Is that amazing? Oh man! Cold!
All right, guys, how do you feel?
Cold! It's freezing!